take off the badge and gun, what would you do about it? You couldn't do a damn thing to me. You need this badge, and you need a gun, and you need someone to back you up. You're a wussy, bro. Don't stand behind me. I'm terrified. Isn't that what you say, Copper? I'm scared. Don't stand behind me. Didn't that pig earlier say, don't stand behind me? I'm scared. You need this guy right here to get out of his chair in case I decide to throw you on the ground. That's a simple fact. Brace yourself. Brace yourself. You have no. No, I'm not going anything. Hey, get your fucking hand. Don't touch me, brother. Don't put your hands on me, mother. You better back the up.
One of the most intense, laser-focused auditing channels out there in terms of confronting cops and helping individuals fight back against the thin blue tide of tyranny is Delete Laws.
Way to manufacture crime, you bunch of jerks. They're manufacturing crime. What a joke. Are you the ranking pig on the scene?
But let me just talk to you for a second. Listen, when you put that on, when you put that thin blue line on, what you do is you tell the public that you're our enemy, that you believe that it's us versus them. That's what happens when you put that thin blue line on. You tell us that you're against us by wearing that thin blue line, that you've pledged allegiance not to the Constitution, but to a blue stripe on your face. And it's an embarrassment.
Because if you didn't have the badge and gun, bro, you're no match for me any day.
And he's got a new channel out there you need to take a look at called American Patriot. It's dedicated to bringing the spotlight of justice to American cities.
Anything here in McAllister city limits you need to take a file report on? If not, I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
Oh no, I don't have to leave.
Okay.
You can do whatever you want, but I don't have to leave. I can stay here as long as I'd like.
Okay.
I'm conducting business here. You can't tell me to leave. As a matter of fact, you know you're out of order right now. But you know you're out of order. You know you're out of line.
You're a trespass warrant from the building.
From
so
who?
You can't
Chase didn't trespass me. That's not
if you
true.
Go back in the building.
You're not
you'll
telling
be
me.
arrested for trespassing. Do you understand that?
No, I don't understand. I want to hear from a Chase representative that I've been trespassed.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's not true, and you're lying, and you're a liar and a
Do you want to
fraud.
hear from them?
I mean, look what you're doing with your lives, boys. What an embarrassment you are to your families. Just so you know, it'll go down in history. You guys will be the embarrassment of your family. In 50 years, your grandchildren would deny you were related to them because you're a jackboot thug pig.
Yeah, I would like to hear from the actual representative from Chase, not security. No, that's Allied Security Officer. That's Allied. I'm not trespassed.
Trespass warrant from the building.
No, I'm not.
If you go back
no,
in the
I'm
building,
not.
you'll be arrested
I'll
for
go back
trespassing.
anytime I want.
Okay, well then you'd be arrested.
We'll see about that, won't we? Because I'll be back to get a coffee tomorrow.
Well, then you'd be arrested.
We'll see about that.
Okay.
We'll see about that. Now go on, coward. Take a hike.
Oh, I can stay.
Then stay here all day, coward.
I mean, I don't understand why they hemmed these guys up so hard. Why'd you guys pull them over and skiff them down, search them like they were hardened criminals? Why'd they pull you over?
They said that I got to stop for like 2 or 3 seconds. I didn't stop.
So
I just
this
went
whole
straight.
thing of them pulling you out of the car and then they were searching you and patting you down because you made a turn?
Yeah.
Stop searching. Tell them.
Stop interrupting.
I stop. Houston versus Hill, 1987. It's my God-given right to
Having a
interfere.
conversation.
Listen,
You're
if-
yelling
listen,
again.
If you want to find
You're
out,
yelling
then
again.
just go ahead and put your torture cuffs on me
I'm not going
and
to put
see
any
what happens.
handcuffs on you.
I'm just saying.
I am politely asking you
And
to
I'm-
stop yelling
And I'm
over there
politely
while they're
telling
talking.
you
You're not.
that I have
You're
a right
yelling
to
at me.
interfere.
You're not politely
Houston
talking
versus
to me.
Hill. Why would I be polite to you?
You said
You are the
were being
actual.
polite.
You are the actual problem.
Okay.
Let me ask you a question. What are you solving here tonight?
You have absolutely
What are you
no idea.
solving?
You have no idea.
What are you solving?
You have no idea what's going on.
I know that no matter what if their entire truck is full of drugs, you're not helping anything.
Okay.
You're ruining our country further.
Got it.
Don't do this job, kid. Get out of this now. I don't care if your mommy or daddy was a pig. Get out of this now.
Sir?
Walk away. What are you going to do?
You can talk.
I
You
can
can't
say
talk
anything
to
I want.
someone
How
else.
about this? I can tell you to go
Yes.
yourself right on
Yes, you
camera.
can.
I'm going to use the bad language. I'm going to tell him to go himself because he's walking up and touching me. Bro, you don't have a right to push into me. Just remember that.
Touch me
I'm
again.
free.
Touch me
You're
again.
touching
Touch
me.
me again.
Look at this. He's touching me.
Touch
He
me
walked
again.
right up to me. I got you on camera, dude.
Yeah, that's
I'll
fine.
be out by the morning.
Touch
You'll be
me again.
sued by tomorrow afternoon.
Oh.
I'm standing right here. I'm not going anywhere. Keep your hands off me. This is a First Amendment protected activity. Put your hands. Do what you want.
But you need to
I'm
back
not
up.
moving a f***ing inch. I'm not moving a f***ing inch. I mean, look at this kid. Look like they put him in a costume. I mean, look at this kid. Look at him. They little stick figure they put in a costume. And this is the jackboot thug pig teaching that pig how to be a pig. This is a bigger pig than that pig because he's been around for longer. So he needs more tricks of the trade.
Now, exposing tyranny is great and holding cops accountable is vital. What if you could confront cops, call out the tyranny, and help those who've been decimated by the tyrants we all despise. That's what Delete Laws and American Patriot are all about. He's helped News Now Ninja get a lawyer, raised thousands of dollars for Lacey Hudson's family after a West Virginia deputy struck and killed the 13-year-old with his patrol cruiser. He's raised over $7,500 to help Craig Hendry fight his legal battles. He was able to get nearly $20,000 to help keep Press with Rancor out of a cage. John Felix has benefited from Chili's efforts. You Have Rights, Cops Have Duties was released from jail because of the direct intervention of Delete Laws and American Patriot. Willis Probstgard, Christy Roan, Sean DeLong, Tim and Sarah Page, the list of people American Patriot and Delete Laws and his audience have helped is long. And this is what this community is all about. People who are sick of tyranny helping those who have been victimized by tyrants.
Go ahead. Go ahead. This is Rodriguez versus United States 2015, you f***ing dunce. No, I'm standing right here. What are you going to do about it? Do it. Do it. Then do it. Go ahead. Go ahead. And you'll lose your badge in 2 years. I sue lots of cops. Your stop is right here. Rodriguez versus United States. Let me help educate you.
Just back up to right there.
I'm not moving. You don't have dominion over me, pig. Get the f away from me. I'm standing here filming. I'm doing my job. Rodriguez versus United States 2015.
Could you get me your driver's license, please?
I can, but I got to reach in here, and I don't want you to be scared. While you're armed and dangerous, I'm not. And you can't lose your temper because I'm a citizen and you're doing your job.
I'm just asking for your identification.
Right, but you're being aggressive towards me, and I don't like it. So you need to stop. I don't need your help. You can. I'm not a criminal, so get the f off of me, brother.
I'm gonna have you wait in your car.
No, I'm gonna grab my registration like you asked me to do.
Sir, I'm gonna have you wait in your car.
You're not giving me a lawful order. I teach constitutional law. Be very careful what you do.
Okay, this is.
Be very careful. I'm going. You're not
for
officer safety.
This is
under
for
Terry
my
versus
safety.
Ohio. I'm Pennsylvania versus Mims right now. I'm outside of my car. The 1978 holding. Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm allowed to go over and get my registration as he asked me to do. Stop demanding. Look what he's doing. He's demanding me around.
Yes.
This is not a lawful order.
I'm directing you back into your vehicle.
No, because I said don't tell me what to do.
Directing you back into your vehicle.
No, because I said don't tell me what to do. You don't understand. If you
understand.
make one mistake here, I will go after you.
Okay.
So now let me get my registration as he asked me to do.
I'm gonna have you wait in your vehicle.
You need to back off. De-escalate.
I don't think so, dude.
Back down. De-escalate.
I don't think so.
De-escalate.
If you don't leave these kids
De-escalate.
alone,
I can say whatever I want. These kids should
touch
not-
me again.
You keep on bumping into me,
Touch
bro.
me again.
Your body cam shows that you're walking into me.
Touch me again.
How about this? Eat my shorts, copper.
Yes.
You're not the boss of me. You're a cop doing a job.
Yes,
You have
and this-
no other
and this
skills
is-
than this.
this is my
This
traffic
is the
stop.
only. This is not your traffic stop.
This
This is
is.
my freedom.
So I'm gonna have you-
He asked me to get the
Sir,
registration. I'm getting it. No.
I'm asking you to wait in your car.
No. The answer is no. The answer is no. You cannot demand that I do unlawful orders. I teach constitutional law. Be very careful, officer.
Okay.
You don't think that it'll affect you, but by about the second year, when I get into your jacket and you get a complaint on your jacket, and then you get demoted from overtime, and then that affects your pension.
Get your hand out of my face.
My hand's not in your face. I'm having
It
I'm having a
was.
discussion like a
And
regular.
again,
Now you're
that's-
touching me. Get
No,
your hands
you
off
moved
me.
into me. I was standing right here.
Look, who's walking up and doing what to who?
This is Fouch. This is the tyrant you're going to see on video come out today. This guy is such a tyrant. You have no idea. Watch what this guy does. I mean, what you do on camera, dude. What you do on camera. You have violated people's rights. Drop that badge and gun and let's go meet at the gym. Let's get. Oh, you got your ears mangled, huh? You think you could hang? You think you could hang? Then let's meet at the gym at 2 o'clock. You get off at 2 o'clock? Okay, then I'll meet you at 2 o'clock. Okay. Where? So you're sitting. I'll show up, dude. You can have all your cops there. They can watch. Okay. Where? Give me a location, Fouch. There's thousands of people going to watch. Where are you going to meet me? See, this is the problem with police in America. This guy right here is an authoritarian piece of shit. This guy right here, he's trying to demand me around. What he doesn't understand is he doesn't have dominion over me. I'm not under arrest. And since I'm clearly going to identify I don't have any weapons, now he can't Terry stop me. Do you see the difference? If he didn't know I didn't have weapons, then he could handcuff me. But because now if he does handcuff me, he's working outside of the color of law. And that's U.S. Code 18, Section 242. You can't let tyrants like this push you around. He literally was physically touching me, when if he didn't have that badge and gun, he would never do that to me. Ever, because he knows better. He knows what would happen. Don't you? Without that badge and gun, we both know what would happen. You're the beta male. I'm the alpha male. And you know that. And you're scared. And you know you are. That's why you have your hand on your gun. Because you're scared. Look. He's scared, as he should be. Because a real man face me man to man, not without the badge and gun, you see. He put his hands on me and physically touched me because he's working inside of the color of law. Now, if he puts me in handcuffs after I showed him that I don't have a weapon, that's an illegal detainment, which means I could sue his ass personally. He no longer has qualified immunity. But see, he's a Neanderthal. He doesn't have any other skill sets. The only skill set he has is to be an authoritarian. You can't tell me to leave a public building when I'm conducting business in that building. You should apologize to me as I'm the citizen. You are supposed to be an authority. Why don't you say you're sorry? Say you're sorry. You can't ask me to leave here. Say you're sorry. You just misrepresented the authority you have. No, you said you're going to ask me to leave. I'm not leaving. What are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it? You're not going to do a damn thing. And if you do, I'll sue you personally under 1983. And then you'll face federal district court. And if you violated my rights, you face 2 years in prison. Do it. Or take your happy ass back to your office and flee like a little dog. Go. You've annoyed me. You don't tell me to leave a public building when I'm conducting business.
Look at this chick. Look at this. They got a yellow tape on the ground. No pressure, honey. Bunch of guys with guns around you. No pressure.
Take a minute right now and subscribe to American Patriot and Delete Laws. The links will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Tell him Here's the Deal sent you.